Did you know that as of October 1st of this year, you can get pulled over for using a cell phone while driving? It's true. You can get pulled over for texting, talking, or using your cell phone for navigation or for social media. While there are some minor exceptions, the fines are steep and after multiple violations could include arrest. For more on the new law and what it means to you, we turn to Officer Mitch Mason.
Starting on October 1st, just a few weeks ago, the legislature made an amendment to this current cell phone law. It made it from being basically just cell phones to encompass all electronic devices, which includes tablets and GPS systems that are in cars, and to make it so that you cannot touch them at all while you're driving, except for a single poke or a swipe to activate or deactivate the device. Otherwise, you can't be touching any of those electronic devices at all while you're driving a car. All has to be hands-free or Bluetooth. Yeah, the intent of the law is to decrease the amount of distracted driving that's occurring. Crashes and fatalities in particular have skyrocketed in the last 10 years, and a lot of that's attributed to distracted driving. And so what the legislature and law enforcement found, the previous laws didn't have as much impact on that, and people continue to drive while using their cell phones. And their hope is that this new law with a little bit more higher fines and larger penalties will get people's attention and get them to put the phones down, and hopefully we can curb the continual rise in crash fatalities that occur all over the state. So it's a significant change from where it's been when it started. Was a Class D violation, and it was a secondary offense, which means we had to view a different offense first, like somebody speeding, and then we find out cell phone is in use. Then that's the only way we can enforce it. Now it's a primary offense, and we just have to see it in somebody's hands basically now, and it's a violation. It's a first offense, it's $260 Class B violation. If it's your second offense, then it's a Class A violation, which is the 435. And then the third conviction within 10 years goes to a misdemeanor, a Class B misdemeanor, which can result ultimately in jail time and $2,000 and plus in fines. So if you're driving down the road and using your cell phone, that is enough to get pulled over and ultimately get cited for this offense.